Hi guys, this is Patty Thai Badass here. So today I'm making Kua Kling. Kua Kling is like a dry stir-fry curry. It's a southern food, but the thing is I didn't use the Kua Kling ingredient, but I used the green curry paste with a little bit of red curry paste and throw some kaffir lime leaves and some lemongrass, which is lemongrass is have more over here. So my thing is I just want to use whatever I have in the pantry, in the kitchen. I wish you guys can smell right now. It's really good. And then have to stir until it's dry. Then I'm gonna serve with jasmine rice and fried egg. Yum. I wish you guys can smell. Smell really good, like honey?
Yes.
Yeah.
Can't wait.
Yee-hoo.